Over the last few years, Santorini has managed to make its presence felt in the tourist industry, becoming one of the most famous destinations worldwide. The main reasons why it's popular are its unique sunsets over the caldera and the scenic streets full of whitewashed houses. Plenty of people choose Santorini as their marriage or honeymoon destination, as its impressive vistas and photogenic landscapes always create a romantic setting. All of the above probably you already knew. This is why, in this blog post, we gathered some peculiar and interesting facts about Santorini. Hey, if you are new to this channel, I would ask you to press the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the videos. Let's continue. 1. Name origin. During the Neolithic era, the island was called Strongoli, meaning of round shape. Years later, the island's name was changed to the Kaliste, meaning the most beautiful one. And then, after the Greek independence, it was referred to as Thera after its capital city. The name Santorini is a contraction of the words Santa and Irene from the name of the old cathedral in the village of Parissa. 2. Residents. According to the 2011 census, the population of the island is 15,550. This local population expands in the summer months, especially during the peak time of July and August. But despite its few residents, over 2 million tourists are estimated to visit Santorini each year. 3. Number of churches. As is the case throughout all of the islands of the Cyclades, Santorini is abundant with more than 600 temples of all shapes and sizes. Although most of them are quite small, it is believed that there are more churches than residential houses on the island. A lot of them are also private. 4. The caldera. Another interesting fact about Santorini is that the caldera of Santorini is the only inhabited caldera in the whole world. It is one of the few places on Earth where cave houses and architecture are saved on volcanic soil. 5. Wine varieties. In proportion to the size of the island, Santorini is the only place on the whole planet with so many wineries. 9 indigenous grape varieties are cultivated, including the famous Asiatico, the most sought-after Greek wine. Actually, there is so little rain on the island during the year that wine is more abundant than water. 6. The lost Atlantis. Santorini is thought to be one of the possible locations for Atlantis. This is likely because historians have noticed the Minoan settlement of Akrotiri, discovered on the island of Santorini, was a developed settlement that was destroyed around 1500 BC due to the strong eruption of the Santorini volcano, matching the myth of Plato. 7. Hot springs. The island of Ni Kami, also known as the Santorini volcano, is a volcanic island at the center of the impressive Santorini caldera. Ni Kami is surrounded by warm dark waters, which are known for their therapeutic benefits. The healing waters of Ni Kami consist of iron and manganese, which act against many diseases that older people usually suffer from. 8. Volcanic rock. The entire island of Santorini is actually a volcanic rock. It has taken thousands of volcanic eruptions for the island to be formed. In the last 400,000 years, the Santorini volcano had erupted over 100 times. Due to its volcanic nature, you can enjoy spending time on multicolored beaches during your holidays. There is the famous red beach, and also black and white beaches. 9. Fira also plays a significant part in the history of Santorini. It was a very important base for naval officers. The scenic town has some old ruins which include some Greek and Roman architecture. Also, some relics which were used during the Byzantine era were also displayed here. The remaining part of the island was inhabited by the Phoenicians, who lived in Fira for over a century before the Laconians, who migrated from Peloponnese, overtook the town. If you enjoy this video, press the like and subscribe buttons, and you wish to travel easily, you have the link down below.